guys, we're going to continue the transfer process on the mandala. So I want to just real quickly touch on number 2 on the mandala requirement sheet. So it says align each section together so that the designs match. Correct any errors in your design by hand so that the designs line up with the design to the right and the left of it. So let's go to my document camera and I'll show you what I mean. So I've drawn out in pencil, and I will tell you regular pencil works a little bit better because it has more graphite than mechanical. Not saying you can't use mechanical pencil, but you'll have to make sure there's quite a bit of pencil lead or graphite on the paper. So I simplified this just for this video to make it a quicker video, but I would need more details on this mandala piece if this was my real project. So I went ahead and finished this. Now we're going to start the transfer process. So you're actually going to take your mandala piece and you're going to fold it over. Now, sometimes this is folded the wrong way and you might have to just recrease the fold. So this one, I'm going to have to go back and find the fold very gently and recrease it. Don't make a new fold. So if I mess this up, you need to try to make your piece perfectly aligned in that section. Otherwise, you're going to have problems later. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to fold it over to this side, just like that. I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to rub where the lines are. So you can see through this project a little bit. There are lines that I drew that I'm trying to get to transfer to the other side. So very carefully, I'm going to go through. And when you're done, if it doesn't transfer, you're probably going to just need to add more pencil. So we'll see what this looks like. Okay, so you can see it transferred on this right side. Then what you'll do is you'll go back, and if there's any errors, you're going to correct them. So for example, this piece right here, it looks like there's a line right here, and it doesn't line up with this. That's not what I want. I want it to line up. So I could take my protractor, and instead of stopping it right here, I could line it up. So I encourage you when you're retracing this stuff, if you used a tool the first time, like a protractor or a compass or a ruler, I would try to use that again versus free drawing it because it's just going to make your overall project look better at the end. Notice I'm putting quite a bit of graphite. Graphite is your pencil lead. It's not real lead. I'm putting quite a bit of that on the paper so it will transfer the next time. Okay, so then draw a line. I probably shouldn't free draw this. Pretend I did it with a compass. All right, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to transfer these two onto here. So what I'll do is I'll fold it over. And see, it's not wanting to fold because it's folded the wrong way. So I kind of need to work with the fold. And I use sort of like my pincher fingers to go through and kind of do the fold the other way because it's inverted. If your folding is not looking good, let me look at it and I can try to help you. All right, so I'm going to check it and make sure it's right. It's right. Okay, fold it over. I'm going to use my scissors. I'm going to rub all over this and then it's going to transfer to this side. So what you're going to get is a project, this is my other one, is a project that looks like this. Then once I got this half done, you can take it, fold it over like this, rub with your scissors all over this side, and then it transfers to the other side. If it's not transferring to the other side, you're going to need to add more pencil lead, okay? Again, if there's any problems, you have to correct the problems as you go instead of taking it and just keep going. Because if it's a problem in the first step, it's going to be a problem in the second step, the third step, all of it. So you're going to go through and you will complete the rest of the drawing.